Discover how thousands of YouTubers are making a full-time income. Go to beatoolboss.com or click the link in the description. Welcome to Real Internet Cash TV. It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer, and in this video I want to address a topic that's pretty popular, especially among like young people or people just getting out of high school, or maybe they're a junior or something in high school, and that is can you make good money, right, without going to college? All right. And this video actually was inspired by somebody reached out to me a couple days ago, and they was asking me like different things about some of the videos that they saw of mine, and they had just different questions, and they was telling me about different opportunities they're trying to do, things they want to do in the future, and they was telling me, you know, they got pretty big financial goals, right? And they was asking me, you know, like, you think this will work? You think I could do that or this or that? And then at the end of the conversation, she basically asked like, yo, I think she said like her parents have been pressuring her on going to college, right? And I don't think she want to go to college. And she's like, yo, do you think I could really make money without going to college? So my answer to that is absolutely. You don't listen. You don't need college at all to make money in this day and age, right? Now I understand, you know, back in the day, even 15 years ago, 10, 15 years ago, 20 years ago, it was almost like automatic. Like if you graduate high school, it's like, what college are you going to? Are you going to the service? What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? Right? It was like automatic. Like you was always pressured to go to a college, like in the late 90s and early 2000s, like what college you going to, what college you going to, right? And there's some people out there, just like maybe this girl's parents, some people still do believe and they're on it. Like, yo, you need a college degree. You do need a college degree, blah, blah, blah. And I understand that completely, right? But look, come on now. You watching this video, you on YouTube, right? Wherever you watching this, you have to realize that there's too many successful people out there. There's too many millionaires out there who never even thought about going to college. Granted, there are millionaires who did go to college, but there's tons of people who never went to college. And you don't have to go to college if you don't want to, because sometimes college ain't for everybody. Just like basketball ain't for everybody. Being an accountant ain't for everybody. Being a lawyer ain't for everybody. See, I'm saying ain't. You know, I should be saying isn't or is not. I don't care. I don't have to. I'm good. You know what I'm saying? Like, I'm fine. So listen, at this day and age, if you're watching this, you're getting that pressure and you're like, oh man, people keep telling me I need to go to school or what college. You're old enough at this point now to make your own decisions. You're old enough to realize that you're probably way more savvier and have a better understanding of being an entrepreneur than the people that's telling you that you have to go to college, right? You're probably 10 steps ahead of them in what's going on right now. So if you're feeling that pressure, like, yeah, but I want to do this. I want to start an online business, or I want to open my own business, right? But everybody telling me I gotta go to college. You need to realize that you don't, because there's so many different opportunities out here, so many things that you can do to generate real money. Even if you got a side hustle, right? Maybe you do work somewhere, you know, at a McDonald's or something, or maybe you do freelance work online and you're using that money to finance your ultimate goal, to grow your online business or even your offline business. But none of that has to include college. It really doesn't. You know what I'm saying? Investing in things. You can have a side hustle, right? Or work a basic part-time job or a full-time job, right? And you can just master the art of investing. And you can start at 17 years old, 18 years old, 25 years old. You can get a side hustle or a full-time job, take a little piece of that money and learn how to invest in the stock market. You can invest in crypto, even though crypto is kind of like, you know, people are like, oh no, I would, whatever. There's too many opportunities out here for you to be pressured into making you feel like you have to go to college. Without college, you're going to be broke, right? You know how many people who went to college and got degrees that's struggling right now? Or people sitting there with degrees and ain't even doing the job that they got a degree in. You know how many people like that out there who got degrees and they're not even using them, right? Now, for people that do want to go to college, in my opinion, college is great for those who have aspirations of being something that needs a degree. You know what I'm saying? If you want to be a doctor, you probably need to go to medical school, right? If you want to be a lawyer, yeah, you know, something where you need a degree, then absolutely go to college. But if you want to do something, right? If you want to do something that doesn't need a college degree to do it, then why would you go to college just to appease other people who ultimately is not going to be affected by what you're doing, right? Because while you're in college, struggling, mad, angry, depressed, right? All the people that was asking you about it or pressure you to go, they're all going to be doing what they want to be doing. So think about that. Let me say it again. All those people that was pressuring you to go to college while you're in college stressing, you know, mad, angry, confused, all those people are going to be doing what they want to be doing. So with that being said, you need to be doing what you want to be doing. You got a dream, make it happen. Long as you grind and push, man, you can do whatever you want. There's too many opportunities out there for you not to be able to achieve your financial goals. Too many things out there.